Hey, how's it going, everybody? This is Michael from Michael Workspace, and today we'll be covering lambdas in Python. So lambdas are anonymous function. They are anonymous because they don't have a name. Our traditional way of creating a function in Python is using the keyword def for define, and then we have to give it a name. So for example, square, and any parameters that we want to pass in. So I'm going to say x, and then we give it a return statement for returning x square. And this is how we create a normal function in Python. So let's go ahead and call square and pass in 10 for the argument, and we'll get back 100 because 10 square is 100. Now for lambdas, we use, here's a syntax here. So lambda is created by the keyword lambda, followed by any number of arguments, semicolon, followed by a single expression. Alright, so that's the syntax for creating lambdas. And let's go ahead and create one right now. I'm going to go ahead and use square L as a variable and then pass in a lambda function. So starting with the lambda keyword, and then an argument, pass in x, and then semicolon followed by an expression, so x square, like that. And then now we can call this lambda function and then passing in 10 again, and we should get back 100 if we do the type of square L. As you can see, it is a function. Alright, so that's one example. Let's go ahead and show you another example here. Let me clear out this screen real quick. Go back into the Python interpreter. So let's go ahead and try to find the average of a list. Okay, so let's start with creating a list. So my list is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we're gonna create a new function now using lambda for finding the average, passing the keyword lambda, and then any number of arguments. I'm going to say items, and then to find the average of a list, we have to sum up all the items in the list, dividing by the number of items in the list. So sum, using this built-in sum function now of Python, sum of items divided by the length of the list items, and that should give us the average. So now if we do type of avg, if I can type, as you can see, it is a function, a lambda function to be exact, and then now we can actually call it, and then pass in, we have to pass in our list that we created above, and we got back 3.0. Let's take a look here. So we have 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 3 is 9. Sorry, 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 3 is 6, plus 4 is 10, plus 5 is 15. Now 15 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 3. Alright, so that's how we use lambda function in Python. It goes really well with other built-in function such as maps, reduce, and filters, and we'll cover those in a future tutorial. Thank you guys. Have a good day.